It's getting very cold. Chilly winds, lower temperatures, and frosted grounds rule the golf courses. Many of them are already closed. Some are about to do so. Golfers, who play with conviction, or maybe with addiction, are really in limbo between weather and golf. Doesn't matter what we wear, it gets chillier. It finally began to snow, the first of the season. Although only a trailer here near the NYC area, it was 5 inches or more upstate near Buffalo, where all the golf courses got buried under snow. Be melting snow, wash yourself of yourself, Rumi. A few years back an unusual snowfall of such magnitude also hit Murree, Rawalpindi, Pakistan. This summer, Europe faced fierce heat waves which caused multiple fires. Southeast Asia also faced unusually heavy rainfall last monsoon that led to unprecedented floods. These are only trailers of what nature has in store for us in times to come. Global warming is on the rise. Asterisk. The COP27 annual UN talks on environment this year were held at Sharm el-Sheikh, Egypt. The summit there was grumpy and shambolic, despite knowing that the southern Pacific Ocean's La Niña that usually ends in a year or so strangely and worryingly stretches into the 3rd year. Supposedly that will cause havoc, floods, droughts, and fires in many continents. The world's sluggish and feverish behavior towards climate change continues. In the meantime, some regional, provincial, and local governments are trying for clean energy. Free solar panels program in Massachusetts and roof replacement in New Jersey are good examples. On the other hand, we must admire the enthusiasm of technology companies. Tesla is a great example. PepsiCo Australia, the local arm of the world's biggest supplier of snacks and drinks, will test a new sort of vehicle powered not by a dirty diesel engine, but by fuel cells, devices that convert hydrogen to electricity while emitting only water vapor. Another example of good news is the UN Fund for Loss and Damage this week. Some wealthy countries are coming around to the idea of compensating poorer ones for climate change. At COP27 UN Climate Summit, G20 Bali Leaders Declaration 2022, narrated again the importance of a collective response to food security and environment protection. Yet mere addresses at summits alone would not help. The sooner the world translates its leaders' speeches into action, the better the environment protection gets.